I'm going to give you a brief demonstration of how to use the Logan circle and oval mat cutter. I have a picture I think an oval mat will make look better, and I know that I want it to be 10 by 8 inches. I've already cut a piece of mat board to that size, and I've drawn a cross to locate the center because I want the oval centered. I know that I want the width to be 5.5 inches, and you set that on this long scale to 5.5 right there. And I know that I want the length to be 1 inch more, so you set it for 1 inch on the inner scale. Then you line up the marks on the mat cutter very carefully with the cross hatch, centering cross hatch on the mat. Press down so that the little tabs bite in. Make sure that you're cutting on a spare piece of mat or on a mat board, a cutter board, which you can get at the artist supply stores. This is a 3-step process. You bring the cutter around that way. I was just checking it to make sure it lined up right. Then you put it down to the next notch, which will just start the actual cut. You bring it all the way around, back to where you started. Put it down another notch so that you're making the cut deeper. Bring it all the way around, and then the third one is the deepest cut, and that should cut all the way through the mat. I will frequently go around an extra time just to make sure that it's cut everywhere. This is a nice tool, but it requires a little bit of finesse to use. Now let's see if it worked. There you go, an oval mat. Works fine for my picture.